Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my English channel Amsar Sadang. Today we will discuss about vocabulary for 12th grade. But before we continue our lesson, I would like to tell you about the purpose of our lesson today. This lesson for 12th grade with the topic vocabulary. There are 3 topics we are going to learn. They are bedrooms, and then clothes part 1, part 1, body part 1. I think it is so easy. So our purpose to learn English for 12th grade is, in this section you will find activities to help you learn the meaning, pronunciation, and spelling of new words. Learning vocabulary will help you improve your language level and communicate in English confidently and effectively. The pages are organized by topic and include interactive exercises to help you learn and remember the new words. That is the purpose our lesson. In Indonesia, pada sesi ini Anda akan menemukan berbagai macam aktivitas untuk membantu Anda mempelajari makna, pengucapan, dan pengejaan dari kata-kata baru. Dengan mempelajari kosakata akan membantu Anda meningkatkan level bahasa Anda, your language level, dan level komunikasi Anda dalam berbahasa Inggris secara percaya diri dan secara efektif. Itu tujuan daripada pembelajaran kita. The pages, tiap-tiap topik disusun dengan tema dan termasuk latihan-latihan yang menarik. Tujuannya untuk membantu Anda mempelajari dan mengingat kata-kata baru tersebut. Oke guys, demikian tujuan pembelajaran kita. Ada 3 materi yang akan kita diskusikan pada sesi ini, yaitu bedrooms, kemudian body parts 1, dan clothes part 1, jenis-jenis pakaian ya. Oke. Ya, saya belum rekam. Capek bicara. Oke guys, materi pertama adalah bedrooms. Do these exercises to learn words to talk about your bedroom. Kerjakanlah latihan-latihan ini untuk mempelajari kata-kata to talk, untuk membicarakan sekitar tempat tidur. Ya, benda-benda di kamar tidur, di ruang tidur. Bedrooms. Task 1. Tugas pertama, match the words and pictures. Mencocokkan kata dan gambar. Jadi, cocokkanlah kata-kata di bawah ini dengan gambar yang speaker sebutkan nantinya. Oke. Number 1.
alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock.
Number 2.
Bedside table, bedside table, bedside table.
Number 3.
Blanket, blanket, blanket.
Number 4.
Carpet, carpet, carpet.
Number 5.
Chest of drawers, chest of drawers, chest of drawers.
6. Number
Double bed, double bed, double bed.
7. Numbers
Duvet, duvet, duvet.
Number 8.
Lamp, lamp, lamp.
Number 9.
Pillow, pillow, pillow.
10. Number
Sheet, sheet, sheet.
11. Number
Single bed, single bed, single bed.
12. Number
Wardrobe, wardrobe, wardrobe.
Okay guys, we are going to tax 1, still bedrooms topic. Vocabulary A1 to A2, bedrooms, alphabetical order. Put the words in alphabetical order. Susunlah kata-kata berikut sesuai dengan urutan alfabet. Okay, lamp, double bed, carpet, blanket, single bed, alarm clock. This is A1. Disusun sesuai dengan abjad, mulai dari huruf A sampai Z, A until Z. Okay, next. Chest of drawers, bedside table, duvet, wardrobe, pillow, sheet. Chest of drawers, bedside table, duvet, wardrobe, pillow, sheet. Oke, silakan disusun kata-katanya sesuai dengan abjad, urutan abjad ya, alphabetical order. Guys, we are going to task 2, vocabulary A1 to A2, bedrooms, spelling. Listen and write the words. Dengarkan dan tulislah kata-katanya. Number 1.
Lamp. Lamp. Lamp.
Next.
Duvet. Duvet. Duvet.
Next.
Sheet. Sheet. Sheet.
Next.
Pillow. Pillow. Pillow.
Next.
Blanket. Blanket. Blanket.
Next.
Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Wardrobe.
Next.
Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Alarm clock.
Next.
Double bed. Double bed. Double bed.
Next.
Single bed. Single bed. Single bed.
Next.
Chest of drawers. Chest of drawers. Chest of drawers.
Okay guys, we are going to task 3, still is about bedrooms. Vocabulary A1 to A2, bedrooms, definition. Sekarang belajar pengertiannya, benda itu apa pengertiannya dalam bahasa Inggris. Choose the best answer. Pilihlah jawaban yang paling benar. Number 1. One person sleeps in this. Satu orang tidur di bla 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 bla. Alarm clock, double bed, or single bed. Ya, silakan dipilih jawabannya yang benar. Next. 2 people can sleep in this. A lamp, B double bed, C single bed. Next. This thin cloth covers a bed. A carpet, B duvet, C sheet. Next. This is on the floor. It is soft. A blanket, B carpet, C sheet. Next. This is a soft bed cover. It has feathers inside. Blanket, B double bed, or C duvet. Next. This is a warm cloth. We use it when it is cold, especially for the bed. A blanket, B carpet, C duvet. Next. This is a big cupboard for your clothes. A lamp, B single bed, C wardrobe. Next. People put their head on this in bed. A duvet, B. Pillow. C. Wardrobe. Next, you turn this on to see at night. A. Carpet. B. Lamp. C. Sheet. This makes a noise to wake you up. A. Alarm clock. B. Blanket. C. Pillow. Okay guys, we are going to task 4. Still talking about bedrooms. Vocabulary A1 to A2. Bedrooms. True or false? Apakah kalimatnya benar atau salah? Kalau choose the best answer, pilihlah jawaban yang paling benar. Ya. A pillow is usually soft. True or false? Next, we often use a blanket in hot weather. True or false? Next, we normally eat breakfast and lunch at a bedside table. True or false? Next, you hang your shirts in the chest of drawers. True or false? Next, we use a duvet in cold weather. True or false? Next, a single bed is big enough for 2 people. True or false? Next, you usually hang your socks and underwear in the wardrobe. True or false? You take the sheet off the bed when you sleep. You take the sheet off the bed when you sleep. True or false? The alarm clock tells the time and wakes you up. True or false? Next, you usually turn on your lamp in the middle of the day. True or false? Okay guys, we are going to task 5, still talking about bedrooms. Vocabulary A1 and until A2, bedrooms. Sekarang grouping, mengelompokkan. Put the words in the groups. Letakkanlah kata-kata di bawah ini ke dalam kelompok yang benar. Kelompok pertama, things that go on a bed. Benda-benda yang akan dibawa ke tempat tidur. Furniture ya, yang mana termasuk furniture. Pillow, chest of drawers, duvet, wardrobe, bedside table, blanket, and sheet. Pillow, chest of drawers, duvet, wardrobe, bedside table, blanket, and sheet. Once again, pillow, chest of drawers, duvet, wardrobe, bedside table, blanket, and sheet. Benda-benda yang dibawa tidur dengan furniture. Contohnya pillow termasuk, kamu tulis di sini, things that go on a bed. Benda-benda yang akan dibawa tidur, pillow, bantal ya. Jawabannya bantal di sini pertama. Oke. Okay guys, we are going to talk 6 still about bedrooms. Vocabulary A1 until A2, bedrooms, plural forms, bentuk jamak. Umpamanya saya punya satu pulpen. Bentuk jamaknya 2 pulpen. Saya mempunyai 2 pulpen, berarti 2 pens. 1 pen, 2 pens. Choose the correct plural form. Pilihlah bentuk jamak lebih dari satu yang benar ya. Number 1, alarm clock. A, alarm clock. B, alarm clocks. C, alarm clocks. Ya, bentuk pluralnya yang mana? A, B, atau C? Next. Bedside table. Penutup tempat tidur. Bentuk pluralnya yang mana yang benar? Bedside table. B, bedside tables. C, bedside tables. Silahkan dipilih jawaban yang benar. Next, chest of drawers. A, chest of drawers. B, chest of drawer. Next, single bed. Tempat tidur satu ya. Cuma muat satu orang tempat tidurnya. Yang mana bentuk plural formnya? A, singles bed. B, single beds. C, singles beds. Demikian guys, akhir dari topik bedrooms. Silahkan dikerjakan. Kita lanjut ke materi kedua. Oke guys, kita ke topik kedua, body parts 1, bagian-bagian tubuh, bagian pertama. Do these exercises to learn words for parts of the body. Kerjakanlah latihan-latihan ini untuk belajar kata-kata bagian-bagian tubuh. Ya, pilihlah kata yang cocok seperti apa yang diucapkan oleh speakernya. Kata-katanya ada di atas, ada di dalam kotak ya guys. Number 1,
head, head, head.
Number 2,
back, back, back.
Number 3,
Throat, throat, throat.
Number 4,
Arm, arm, arm.
okay. Number 5,
Finger, finger, finger.
6, number,
Nose, nose, nose.
7, number,
Foot, foot, foot.
8, numbers,
Ear, ear, ear. leg,
Number 8.
leg, leg,
Number 9.
mouth, mouth, mouth,
10.
hand, hand, hand,
Last.
eye, eye, eye,
Okay guys, still task 1. Sekarang latihan 1, still body parts 1, masih di bagian tubuh ya. Bagian pertama, vocabulary A1 to A2, body parts 1, alphabetical order. Put the words in alphabetical order. Susunlah kata-kata berikut dalam susunan sesuai dengan abjad. Okay. Hand, leg, ear, back, finger, arm. Oke, disusun ya, mulai dari kata abjad A sampai abjad Z. Nose, eye, foot, mouth, head, throat. Once again, nose, eye, foot, mouth, head, throat. Task 2, still in body parts 1. Latihan 2 masih di body parts 1. Vocabulary A1 until A2, body parts 1, spelling. Latihannya tentang spelling, pengejaan. Listen and put the letters in order to spell the words. Dengarkan dan susunlah huruf demi huruf dalam urutan pengejaan dari kata-kata tersebut. Oke, kata-kata ini disusun sesuai dengan pengucapan speaker ya guys. Oke, kita mulai.
arm, arm, arm,
Next.
ear, ear, ear,
Next.
eye, eye, eye,
Next.
leg, leg, leg,
Next.
back, back, back,
Next.
foot, foot, foot,
Next.
hand, hand, hand,
Next.
head, head, head,
Next.
nose, nose, nose,
Next.
mouth, mouth, mouth,
Next.
finger, finger, finger,
Next.
throat, throat, throat,
Okay guys, we are going to task 3 still in body parts 1. Masih tugas 3, Masih di bagian tubuh bagian pertama. Vocabulary A1 to A2, body parts 1, descriptions, gambaran benda-benda ini ya. Choose the best answer. Pilihlah jawaban yang paling benar. We use this part of the body to hear. We use this part of the body to hear. A. Ear. B. Eyes. C. Foot. Contoh ya, kita menggunakan bagian tubuh ini untuk mendengarkan. So, jawabannya adalah ear. Mendengar, telinga. Telinga dipakai untuk mendengar. Oke guys, demikian contohnya. Next. Most people have 5 of these on each hand. A. Arms. B. Fingers. C. Legs. Most people have 5 of these on each hand. A. Arms. B. Fingers. C. Legs. Next. Most people have 2 of these. We use them to walk. A. Arms. B. Eyes. C. Legs. Next. We use this to see. A. Arms. B. Eyes. C. Legs. Next. We use this to talk, smile, and eat. A. Head. B. Mouth. C. Nose. Next. The part of our body with our hair, eyes, mouth, nose, and ears on it. The part of our body with our hair, eyes, mouth, nose, and ears on it. A. Head. B. Mouth. C. Nose. We wear a shoe in each of these. We wear a shoe on each of these. A. Ear. B. Eye. C. Foot. Next. This is in the middle of our face. We use it to smell. A. Ear. B. Head. C. Nose. Next. After our mouth, our food goes down this. Sometimes it hurts when we are ill. After our mouth, our food goes down this. Sometimes it hurts when we are ill. A. Head. B. Mouth. C. Throat. The last number. Most people have 2 of these. Our hands are at the end. Most people have 2 of these. Our hands are at the end. A. Arms. B. Eyes. C. Fingers. Okay guys, we are going to task 4, still in body parts 1. Tugas keempat. Vocabulary A1 to A2, body parts 1, grouping, mengelompokkan ya. Put the words in the correct group. Letakkanlah kata-kata berikut ke dalam kelompok yang benar. Ada 2 kelompok. We have 1, kita punya 1. Most people have 2. Kebanyakan orang memiliki 2. Oke, benda apa itu? Here. Benda-bendanya ya. Teacher baca. Nose. Leg. Eye. Throat. Back. Ear. Foot. Arm. Mouth. Head. Once again, nose, leg, eye, throat, back, ear, front, foot, arm, mouth, head. Contoh ya, nose, hidung. Dia masuk kelompok we have one. So you write here nose. Okay. Task. Okay guys, task 5 still in body parts 1. Vocabulary A1 to A2, body parts 1. Write the words. Tulislah kata-katanya. Complete the sentences. Melengkapi kalimat. Number 1. We use our blah 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 to hear. Ya, kami menggunakan titik-titik untuk mendengar. Oke, silakan ditulis jawabannya ya guys. Next. Second number, nomor 2. Most people have to blah blah blah. Our hands are at the end. Most people have to blah blah blah. Our hands are at the end. Next. Number 3. Most people have 5 blah 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 on each hand. Most people have 5 blah 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 on each hand. Number 4. After our mouth, our foot goes down our blah blah blah. Sometimes it hurts when we are ill. After our mouth, our foot goes down our blah blah blah. Sometimes it hurts when we are ill. Next. Most people have to blah blah blah. We use them to walk. Most people have to blah blah blah. We use them to walk. Next. We have a blah 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 in the middle of our face. We use it to smell. We have a blah 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 in the middle of our face. We use it to smell. Next. We use our blah 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 to see. We use our blah 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 to see. Next. We wear a shoe on each blah blah blah. We wear a shoe on each blah blah blah. Next. We use our blah 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 to talk, smile, and eat. We use our blah 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 to talk, smile, and eat. Last number. Our blah 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 has our hair, mouth, nose, eyes, and ears on it. Our blah 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 has our hair, mouth, nose, eyes, and ears on it. That's all for body parts 1. Okay guys, we are going to the third topic. Kita ke topik ketiga, clothes 1. Jenis-jenis pakaian bagian 1. Do the exercises to learn words for different kinds of clothes. Kerjakanlah latihan berikut untuk mempelajari kata-kata jenis-jenis pakaian yang berbeda. Silahkan cocokkan kata yang di atas dengan apa yang diucapkan oleh speaker. Oke.
Jeans. Jeans. Jeans.
Next.
Jumper. jumper, jumper,
Okay, next.
top, top, top,
Okay, next.
coat, coat, coat,
Next, guys.
trainers, trainers, trainers,
Next, guys.
t-shirt, t-shirt, t-shirt,
Next, guys.
shirt, shirt, shirt,
Next, guys.
jacket, jacket, jacket,
Next, guys.
sweatshirt, sweatshirt, sweatshirt,
Next, guys.
skirt, skirt, skirt,
Okay, guys. Next.
hat, hat, hat,
Okay, guys. The last.
trousers, trousers, trousers,
Okay. Okay, guys. We are going to task 1, tugas 1. Still in clothes 1. Masih di jenis pakaian. Vocabulary A1 to A2. Clothes 1. Alphabetical order. Put the words in alphabetical order. Susunlah kata-kata berikut dalam susunan abjad sesuai dengan abjad ya. A sampai Z. Okay. Top. Hat. Shirt. Jacket. Coat. Once again. Top. Hat. Shirt. Jacket. Coat. Next. Skirt. Sweatshirt. Trainers. Trousers. Jumper. Jeans. Once again. Skirt. Sweatshirt. Trainers. Trousers. Jumper. Jeans. Okay guys, we are going to task 2, still in clothes 1. Tugas 2 masih di jenis pakaian, bagian pertama. Vocabulary A1 to A2. Clothes 1, spelling. Kita belajar spelling, pengejaan. Listen and put the letters in order. Dengarkan dan susunlah kata-kata berikut sesuai dengan urutannya. H, T, A itu disusun ya sambil mendengarkan speakernya berbicara.
hat, hat, hat,
Next.
top, top, top,
Next.
coat, coat, coat,
Okay, next.
jeans, jeans, jeans,
Okay, next.
shirt, shirt, shirt,
Okay, next.
skirt, skirt, skirt,
Okay, next.
jacket, jacket, jacket,
Okay, next.
jumper, jumper, jumper,
Okay, next.
T-shirt, T-shirt, T-shirt,
Okay, next.
trainers, trainers, trainers,
Okay, next.
trousers, trousers, trousers,
Okay, next.
sweatshirt, sweatshirt, sweatshirt,
Okay, guys, we are going to task 3. Vocabulary A1 to A2, clothes 1, definition. Kita belajar pengertiannya ya. Complete the sentences with the words. Lengkapilah kalimat-kalimat berikut dengan kata-kata tersebut. Ya, melengkapi kalimat, pilihan katanya ada di sini ya guys. Silahkan dipilih. Blue denim trousers are also called blah blah blah. Pakai trainers, coat, sweatshirt, jeans, skirt, trouser, t-shirt, hat, jumper, shirt atau top. Silahkan dipilih. Blue denim trousers are also called blah blah blah. Next. Blah 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 are shoes for doing sport. Blah 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 are shoes for doing sports. Next. We can wear a blah 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 to protect our head from the sun. We can wear a blah 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 to protect our head from the sun. Next. A blah 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 covers our arms, but a blah 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 does not. A blah 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 covers our arms, but a blah 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 does not. In the UK, many men and women wear a blah 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 on their legs. Usually only women wear a blah blah blah. It covers most of their legs. In the UK, many men and women wear a blah 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 on their legs. Usually only women wear a blah blah blah. It covers most of their legs. A blah 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 is a general name for clothes that cover our upper body. A blah 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 is a general name for clothes that cover our upper body. Next. Normally, a blah 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 is made of cotton and a blah 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 is made of wool. We usually wear them on top of a shirt or t-shirt. Normally, a blah 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 is made of cotton and a blah 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 is made of wool. We usually wear them on top of a shirt or a t-shirt. Next. A blah 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 is like a jacket. but longer. It covers part of our legs. A blah 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 is like a jacket, but longer. It covers parts of our legs. Okay. Okay guys, task 4. Still in clothes 1. Tugas 4 guys. Vocabulary A1 to A2, clothes 1, tops or bottoms. Bagian atas atau bagian bawah. The word top can mean any kind of clothes we wear above the waist. Put the words in the correct group. Kata bagian atas bisa dimaknai jenis-jenis pakaian yang kita pakai di atas pinggang. Put the words. Letakkanlah kata-kata tersebut di kelompok yang benar. Ada 2 kelompok. Clothes we wear on the upper body. Jenis-jenis pakaian yang kita pakai di bagian atas tubuh. Clothes we wear on the lower body. Pakaian-pakaian yang kita pakai di bawah tubuh. Shirt, jeans, skirt, trousers, sweatshirt, jumper. Ya, silahkan dikelompokkan guys. Shirt, jeans, skirt, trousers, sweatshirt, jumper. Silahkan dikelompokkan guys. Shirt, jeans, skirt, trousers, sweatshirt, jumper. Okay. Okay guys, the last task, it is task 5, still clothes 1. Tugas 5 ya guys, terakhir. Vocabulary A1 to A2, clothes 1. Write the words. Tulislah kata-katanya. Complete the sentences. Lengkapilah kalimat berikut. 1. Normally a blah 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 is made of cotton and a blah 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 is made of wool. We usually wear them on top of a shirt or t-shirt. Normally a blah 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 is made of cotton and a blah 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 is made of wool. We usually wear them on top of a shirt or t-shirt. Next guys. Second, we wear a blah 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 to protect our head from the sun. We wear a blah 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 to protect our head from the sun. We wear a blah 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 to protect our head from the sun. Next. Number 3. Blah 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 are shoes for doing sport. Blah 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 are shoes for doing sport. Blah 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 are shoes for doing sport. Next. Number 4. A blah 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 covers our arms, but a blah 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 does not. They will not keep us warm in cold weather. A blah 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 covers our arms, but a blah 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 does not. They will not keep us warm in cold weather. A blah 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 covers our arms, but a blah 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 does not. They will not keep us warm in cold weather. Next. 5. A blah 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 is general name for clothes that cover our upper body. A blah 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 is a general name for clothes that cover our upper body. A blah 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 is a general name for clothes that cover our upper body. Next. In the UK, many men and women wear a blah 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 on their legs. Usually only women wear a blah blah blah. It covers part of their legs. In the UK, many men and women wear a blah 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 on their legs. Usually only women wear a blah blah blah. It covers that of their legs. In the UK, many men and women wear a blah 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 on their legs. Usually only women wear a blah blah blah. It covers part of their legs. Next, blue denim trousers are also called blah blah blah. Blue denim trousers are also called blah blah blah. Blue denim trousers are also called blah blah blah. Okay, the last number. A blah 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 is like a jacket, but longer. It covers part of our legs. A blah 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 is like a jacket, but longer. It covers part of our legs. A blah 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 is like a jacket, but longer. It covers part of our legs. Oke guys, cukup dulu pembelajaran kita hari ini dengan 3 tema: bedrooms, clothes, dan satu lagi ya guys, part of our bodies. Jangan lupa subscribe channel Teacher Amsar Sadang. Mohon maaf atas segala kesalahan dan kekurangannya. Stay at home, tetap keep your health, jaga kesehatan. Silahkan dikerjakan di buku tulisnya. Bisa dikumpul melalui WA-nya Teacher. Bisa juga dikumpul melalui link yang sudah Teacher sediakan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.